Fruity Wreck with Amber and Nathan. It's their first dive, so they're going to do a discovery dive. So they go at Nathan's 12 meters, but it's still going to be sick. It's such a clear day as well. The water has like a visibility of 20 meters, so dropping. Gearing up. Oh, they went to Shaka and then he stopped. Too many Shakas for the day. Oh, this is exciting. First time for these guys.
Let's go diving.
Closing in, I know the path faded to an hourglass. I'll be worth her in the end. Just wanna see that smile again. I've changed for the better now. There's metal in my head. Even if I put away all my blood evaporates, red a shield, cry your name. Driven love, I feel no pain. I know she's breathing, there's a beat in her heart. Sure, you can be my heroine. All I ask is that you wait for me. Sure, you can be my heroine. Over the ocean I looked in. Sure, I don't know if I can smile. I thought a lot about it now. Stop me from contemplating leaving town. Over the ocean I looked in. Sure, I don't know if I can smile. Over the ocean I looked in. Sure,
mix, brown rice, chickpeas, Vegemite, falafel mix, brown flour. Man, so many goods. Holy shit, that's a big bag, alright. Oh, the bombs. Yes, we need them.
You big old veggie.
Yeah. Amberino's on the helm. Just dropped the boys off in the deep blue. They're trying to spear a mahi-mahi, but they haven't got anything. You guys flipping around like penguins. Turtle man! Woo! Arriving in Lovina pretty late. We had no wind today at all, and the boys been mucking around on the fads trying to spear some mahi-mahi, which they got kicked off one, which was full of the mahi-mahi, but you know, it's been a good day. And sailing to this, can't beat it. So beautiful. So we got the crew on sail repairs. Emma's trying to learn how to do a zigzag stitch.
Or is she just slacking off?
Or she's on Facebook, we're not sure. But we have this, which is the sun protection cover, has just come straight off. So.
Hello!
Obviously ladies aren't meant to sew sails.
Yeah, because it's on the right hand.
Yeah,
yeah.
Forever.
You like hand sewing? You come join us. Join the party.
We'll give you $20.
My hoe still was.
Yeah, good look at the size of your fucking gaps.
Big stitches. Good try for a
Zigzagging.
zigzag.
Right, we're geared up. Let's go to the waterfalls. Man, it's so fresh. Amazing how much the weather changes as soon as you come up the hill. It's like gone really cold, and looks like it's about to rain. Where before, when we just got off the boat near the coast and we had lunch, we were all sweating so hard and complaining how hot it was, and now it's like I'm cold. Oh, there's single-use plastic. This is where a lot of the rubbish ends up in Indonesia. Off the side of the road. It's pretty fucking sad. Gonna get waterfall. Yeah, air to John. Nice.
George!
That looks like a magical forest in there.
break so hit a right, yeah. Whatever it takes us to, yeah, yeah, ooh, yeah, to get high.
So we're at Yang Yang Waterfall, and we only paid the cheapest because we didn't want to pay $12 to go swimming, so we're going to try sneak in. Yang Yang? Oh, Aling Ling, not Yang Yang. So we decided to pay the $12 because it looks fucking epic. There's a natural water slide.
I can run that.
You are the fastest.
That's the slide, you go from the top to the bottom. Phew, now we go down the slide.
Yeah.
Going down. Got our protection jackets on from the sharp rocks. Holy shit. Woo! Oh my god. I saw her sliding down.
That's pretty big.
Amber's going first. Holy! Just like that.
So individual, wish you could be yourself. Now I'm the bachelor, serving like no one else. Why do you act like you're a guy? I wish I knew how to cry if I can get away. There's just a million.
So this is our guide. How old are you? How old? Oh, you're 11. Boss man. He's going to take us to a 10-meter jump off.
You sure? You slide?
Slide?
Slide, another slide. Superman! Phew! Okay. They want us to jump from up there. Down there. I don't think I can do it. This old guy's holy shit. He did his arm thing again. Maybe we swim?
So we just jumped off this one, this waterfall. That was 10 meters. We went down to that other one and that was 15 meters. And it hurt. But it was cool, fun.
I might just go. Well, I thought it was an amazing view.
Yeah, it's so hot.
Was it worth paying $12 for the waterfall?
Yeah, they're amazing. That was really cool. Glad we paid.
By 689.
Bukan angkat kali ini bola. Dede masuk mampu.
Good. 5 are on.
5, 6, 8, 9. Here we
6, 8,
go.
9.
Oh, mate, put it on. No. There we go. I hope you all win.
Oh, thank you. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Slide yang pertama. 1-2. Dede dia akan melakukan serve dalam sempit. Angkat bola kali ini lempar kembali. Slide masih mampu. Tidak mampu dengan
Oh, no. Yeah, we just lost.
Damn it.
menambah poin kembali. Pemain senior Portugal menambah poin kembali. 4-6.
Yes.
How many?
Nothing. How many rupee? God, don't know.
Sepuluh.
How much?
Only Sepuluh, really.
100.
Oh, really? 100. Oh, wow.
Yeah, 100.
Disambut saja.
Bagus.
Dari
Yuk.
19-18.
Going Tuju. Nice on Delapan. I'm on
Delapan.
Tuju.
Delapan for the win.
Arah selam. 11 nih. 10-11 nih, ngoyon deh.
Oh, you got it. You got it. No, 3 from 3.
Damn it.
That's
you, isn't it?
Yeah, that's you. You're on
Oh,
Delapan.
it's me. Oh, hey, Delapan. Yeah,
Nice on Delapan. Oh, he's pulled it off. 3 from 3.
Hey.
Eka yang akan melakukan serve.
Kasih.
Eka. Serve saja. Angkat kali.
Delapan pays off.
Ternyata
Chasing dolphins. There's about 20 boats on the spot, so it's going to be pretty crowded.
It's already the time that you hold my mind.
Everyone's chasing dolphins. So bad, but we're doing it too.
To say or not to do. So you wanna be a man about it, do you?
Can't beat the green machine, mate. A dolphin tour has now turned into a plastic collecting tour. There's another one. We're getting a plastic bottle. Plastic It's obvious.
Talking too much, you missed it. Yay!
That's called tough love. That's called tough love. In the middle of the night, all I think about is
If you reverse save, shitloads.
I traded all your clouds of glory. It's true.
Go for it.
So you wanna be a man about it? Do you have to? And have you figured out all you wanted? Have you? When your heart becomes a million different pieces, that's when you won't be able to recognize this feeling. That's called tough love. Tough love. That's called tough
Yeah, not even open.
Amber and Nathan's last night on Paradise. When they're leaving us to go to Belangen, pricks. They could have spent another 2 nights with us, but they chose to leave. Anyway, so we're having a barbecue. The boys have got a bit of iron there.
Pretty bloody excited.
Em and I got some mushroom burgers.
You get a burger on Paradise.
Ollie thinks he's iron inefficient, so we've allowed him to have some meat on board. One off.
And it looks delicious.
Bye.
Third time